Please subscribe and remember to turn on notifications.
Walking a tightrope. Here's an example sentence. Louisa felt she was walking a tightrope, wanting to be friendly with Jose and yet worried about upsetting Maria. What do you think the correct meaning is? Is it A, a situation that allows very little or no margin for error? Is it B, taking a big risk? Or is it C, to put your job at risk? And the correct answer is A, a situation that allows very little or no margin for error. This idiom refers to the balancing act of walking tightropes performed by acrobats. It is used to describe a precarious situation where you have to be very cautious. Here's an example.
Have you seen Diego today?
Diego was fired this morning.
Oh, really?
It's not that surprising. He was walking a tightrope ever since he got his written warning.
Listen and repeat. Walking a tightrope.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other free lessons on our YouTube channel. Do you want to access more free videos? If so, click the link below and register for our free course. You can also sign up for a live lesson with a teacher.